Alright, what's up guys? Just doing an oil change real quick here. Nothing special, but it's long overdue. See how black it is? So I'm gonna be doing it in 2 stages. I think it's been a pretty good long while before I've changed, or since I've changed the oil. So I'm gonna be flushing it out with this 5W30 for maybe a couple days. And then I'm going to put the 10W30 that I usually run in. Yeah, maybe I'll just run the 5W30 for like 1 day or something just to cycle through all the old stuff since it's been a while. And that's the plan. Can't neglect the daily, that's for sure. And the white car, still in the same shape. I might work on it tonight, not sure yet. But yeah, just need to cut little U-shapes into the carpet here to lift it up and all that. Same thing in the front. Yeah, otherwise everything's still the same. Sorry I haven't had a chance to post in the last couple days. Been busy. Here are the part numbers here for the oil filters. And these guys here, they're just, let me get it to focus here. Just copper gaskets for the drain plug. Always replace these on every change, of course. And yeah, I think this is just a slightly bigger filter. I use both. Most of the ones in this box are these size, but yeah, there you go. So that looks okay. Might need a Mr. Clean magic eraser, but for now it's good. So here's just a shot of the used copper and the new one here. Let me see if I can get it off of here. So you can kind of see the flat edge on this left one here. Yeah, but make sure to change these guys just because leaks are bad. Scratch the date on here for next time. Okay, that's on. Okay, check again here.